Our Stock Rover investing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Stock Rover are in the description if you want to check it out. Now, let's get straight to the review. Stock Rover is an advanced stock research and analysis platform designed for serious investors, particularly those focused on fundamental analysis. It offers a robust suite of tools, including detailed stock screening, portfolio management, in-depth research reports, and powerful charting capabilities. The platform provides access to over 8,500 North American stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, with data going back decades for deep historical analysis. One of Stock Rover's standout features is its powerful screener. Unlike basic screeners, it allows users to filter stocks based on hundreds of financial metrics, including revenue growth, profitability, valuation ratios, and even custom formulas. This makes it a great choice for investors who want to fine-tune their strategies. Another key feature is the portfolio management system. It not only tracks performance but also offers detailed insights such as dividend income projections, risk analysis, and asset allocation breakdowns. You can even compare your portfolio against major benchmarks or other stocks, helping you make data-driven decisions. The research reports in Stock Rover are also impressive, providing deep fundamental insights on individual stocks, including fair value estimates, margin trends, and financial strength ratings. These reports make it easy to assess whether a stock is overvalued, fairly priced, or a potential bargain. As for weaknesses, Stock Rover is heavily focused on fundamental analysis, meaning technical traders may find it lacking. While it does include charting, it's not as advanced as platforms designed for short-term traders. Additionally, the free version is quite limited, so to unlock its full potential, a premium subscription is required. In summary, Stock Rover is an excellent research tool for long-term investors, dividend investors, and value investors who rely on fundamental analysis. If that sounds like you, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.